Oh no! Move it! Oh. No! Is well, you're supposed to know that's. Woo! Ben, what are you watching? Oh, I just found this random video that you shouldn't be concerned about. Well, turn it off.
You're recording?
No! Turn it off. Fine. Jeez, relax. Boss! What the? You have a twin brother? Yeah. And we're mostly here to destroy you. How dare you push me off the cliff? I didn't push you, you fell. I don't care. Ah! You know what? That's it. I'm going into my superpower. Oh crap, that is huge. Well, that happened. Yes, he won. He won between you. Take that. Well, that happened. No. Uh-oh. That's it. I'm turning super. The epic fight must begin. But first, I gotta kill these people. Take that. And this. Take that. No! My army! That was like the smallest army ever. So yeah, shut up. Not today! No! I'm getting defeated. That's it. Get down, playboy. You shall die here forever. No. Well, good to know you're dead. Oh! Get off of him! Oh, I did not even feel that. Oh God. Oh crap. Oh, one needs superpowers. Wait, I think I got another one. Alright. Alright, boy. Let's do this again and you'll lose. That's it. Triggered. Time to end you once and for all. I think he's dead. I'm alive. Thank God. I'm alive too. Me too. Me too, somehow. Me too. Everyone. alive! You forgot me. Okay, no one cares. Hey! Since we defeated him, I know what we can watch. What can we watch? Look. Do-do-do. Ben, what are you putting on? You see. What do you mean I'll see? Why? Why? Oh, that's good. Hey! 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 We rulers! Why? Why? Swag.